Alright, you can now go back with your prize. Congratulations. You can go and join your parents there, Siri. Sharath, since yours is a song, do you mind if that is there on the stage? Is it alright? Okay, but before Sharath takes stage, I would like to announce the next contestant. After Sharath, it is Nakshatra. So Nakshatra, please report backstage.
ಒಲವು ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಲವು ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೋಂಗಿನ ಮೌನ ಗಂಗಾಳೀನು ಹಾಡಾಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂನು ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂನು ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆ.
Thank you, Sharath. Before we move over to the next contestant, we have a huge announcement to make. The prize money of our contest, for solo it is 5, 3 and 2. And for group it is 20, 15 and 10. But if we had said 1 lakh, how would you have responded to it? Here is an announcement of Kaun Banega Lakpati, not from women of Mangalore, but from city center. So from city center, for 1 month, we had shoppers coming here and shopping, and the city center announced the prize of 1 lakh for those who shopped for more than 5,000 rupees in a day. They had the entitlement to win the prize. And right now we are going to have the lucky draw of this Lakpati, and from 3rd October to 2nd November this was held, and we are going to now decide as to who is going to be the lucky winner. And for this, may I request Preksha to escort Executive Director SM Sawood to the stage. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for all the officials of the city center who have given us the privilege. When I looked at it, I wondered why I hadn't shopped. But then Preksha has told me that if we haven't shopped and if we don't win, we don't have to worry, because they are going to announce similar prizes in the coming month as well, in December as well. But right now, let's see who is going to be the lucky winner. Sir, may I request you to take the slip and see who is going to be. It is under lock and it is being unlocked now. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. The huge box of lucky draws is being unlocked now, and Sir wants, SN Saud wants all the slips to be mixed well, because he doesn't want the most recent shoppers only to stand the chance. He wants all to stand the chance. So he's almost churning them, right? Yes, now he has churned them and now the cream has come up. Let's see who is the lucky winner.
City Center, Kaun Banega Lakpati prize goes to Ramchandra Kutla. Ramchandra Kutla, the phone number like I'll just hand it over mic to Preksha. You can call up and inform the winner.
So out of 5,000 contestants, we have one lucky winner, that is Ramchandra Kudwa. We have the mobile number, we'll be calling him and we'll announce the prizes. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you.
Thank you, Preksha. Ramchandra Kudwa, you have become the envy of all of us. 1 lakh is not at all a small amount. Even if I were to win 10,000, I would have been happy. But this gentleman, Ramchandra Kudwa, has won 1 lakh and he is the Lakpati of the first Kaun Banega Lakpati draw of the city center. Hearty congratulations to Ramchandra. And now we continue with the contest. After Sharath, it Prapti D. Shetty. Meanwhile, I request contestant number 15, Shravya K. Rao, to report backstage. We are now ready for the performance of Prapti D. Shetty.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ವನವಾಸದ ಸೀತೆಯ ಅಭಿನಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಚಂದಿರನಂತೆ ಶೋಭಿಸುವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಾರವಿಂದ ನಾ ಕಾಣದೆ ಕಾಲ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋದವು. ಪಂಚವಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಳು ಮಾಯಾಮೃಗದ ಚಿನ್ನದ ತೊಗಲನ ಬಯಸಿ ಮರುಳೆಯಾದೆ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ, ಅಸುರರ ನಿಜ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯವಾರಿತು ನೀನು. ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಪರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹರಿಯುವುದು ನೀನಾಕಿದ ಗೆರೆಯ ನಾ ದಾಟಿದೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ, ನಾ ದಾಟಿದೆ. ಕಪಟ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಯ ಕಳು ವೇಷದಿ ಬಂದು ಈ ಜಾನಕಿಯ ಸೆಳೆದು ಈ ಲಂಕೆಗೆ ತಂದಿಟ್ಟೆಯೋ ಲಂಕಾಧಿಪ ರಾವಣ. ನಿನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೂ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ? ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಚಂದ್ರನ ಪತ್ನಿ. ನನ್ನ ನೆರಳಂತ ಕೂಡ ನೀನು ಸ್ಪರ್ಶಿಸಲಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಪತಿಯ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುವುದೇ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವೆಂದು ಬಗೆದು ನಾನು ವನವಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವಳು. ಲೋಕಲೋಕಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಕೈಲಾಸವನ್ನೆತ್ತಿದ ನೀನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕತ್ತೆ ತಂದಿರುವೆ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕತ್ತು ತಂದು ದ್ರೋಹಿಯಾಗಿರುವೆ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಡಿಸುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ನೀನು ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗು. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಲು ಬಂದಿರುವಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಆ ದಶಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬೀಳಲಿ, ನೀನಿನ್ನ ವೈಭವ ಮಣ್ಣು ಪಾಲಾಗಲಿ. ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಮೀರಿ ಸತ್ತು ಬದುಕಿರುವ ನೀನು ಪುರುಷನೇ. ಇಷ್ಟೋ ದಿವಸಗಳು ಕಳೆದು ಇನ್ನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳದ ನೀನು ನೀಚ, ಅಧಮ, ಬೇಡಿ, ಕಟುಕ, ಕಣ್ಣೆದುರಿನಿಂದ ದೂರಗಳು ರಾವಣ.
Thank you, Prapti Shetty. Thank you for improvising with whatever was available. Thank you very much for that. We now have contestant number 15, Shravya K. Rao. And I request contestant number 18, Shuki Rao, to be ready. Shuki, please relax. There is one more 17 which I missed out on. So next will be number 17, and the name please? Prajwal. Prajwal will be after this performance. Yes, over to you. Meanwhile, I announce the next spot prize of the evening. Are you all ready for that? Mangalore has become home for many people from different places. As it is in Mangalore, we have got Kannada, Tulu, Konkani, Byari language, right? We say Byari language. As it is, we have all those regional languages. And then we have Gujarati Samaj here, we have Gujarati school here, we have Kerala Samaj here. So Mangalore is the home for many people from different parts of India. So this spot prize is for the one who is a polyglot, who can come here and show that he or she knows maximum number of languages. Anyone who can come here and say that you know, okay, Pravina is saying she knows. Shane, of course, French. Whatever he says, we'll have to say yes, yes, because we won't understand whether it is right or not. But Shane, as the lecturer, would surely be saying the right things. Anybody from the audience? Maximum number of languages. You will win a spot prize of the evening. Anybody? No one? No one? I think Jayashree can attempt. Yes, yes. Is it Siri's? No, Siri's parents are there. Please come, please come. You can come from here also. You can climb onto the stage and you can take the mic from me. Please introduce yourself first of all, and then you tell us which languages you know and how many languages. And ladies and gentlemen, I won't know all languages, but those of you who know those languages can keep a check on what he says.
Hello, my name is Raymond. I know Gujarati language, Hindi language, English, Kannada, and Telugu. I know some languages, Hindi, English, Kannada.
That we got, but ಅದೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು, ಹೇಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
In English, what is your name? My name is Raymond. Kannada, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರೇಮನ್.
ಎಲ್ಲದು ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
કે તમારું નામ શું છે? મારું નામ રેમન છે. I know some other language. ತುಳು language. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುದರಂಚಿನ, ನನ್ನ ಪುದರ ರೇಮನ್.
ತುಳು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುದರಂಚಿನ ತುಳು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈರೇನ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈರೇನ ಪುದಾರ್ ದಾದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ. No, any, you know Varsha, right? Yeah, Varsha, aren't you? Yes. Okay, ಈಗ ನೋಡುವ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ಹೇಳಿ. Varsha, take the mic, go to the stage. Sir, Bandarkar, are you a contestant? Okay.
So I'm KM Varsha. So I know Kannada, Tulu, Kannada. What's Kannada? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತುಳು ಮಾತಾಡ ಹುಷಾರ? English. What's your name? Korean. Bangak Sumida. That means nice to meet you. Sanskrit. Mama namah Varshah. Hindi. तुम कैसे हो? हैदराबादी लैंग्वेज. আমি খুব ভালোবাসি.
Okay. Varsha. Bengali. That's why I asked you Telugu when you said Hyderabadi. You said no. So I wondered which other language there. Yes, sir. Bandarkar, sir. Come. All right. How many languages do you know? Varsha, you are still eligible for a prize. Please come up. So you said 5, Varsha said 7. Now we have one more contender.
English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Tulu, Konkani. What is your name? English. Hindi, आपका नाम क्या है? कन्नड़ा, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಎಂತದು? मराठी, तुमचं नाव काय आहे? कोंकणी, तुमचं नाव कसं नाही?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಸಹ ನಾಮಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವರ್ಷ ವಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಭಂಡಾರ್ಕರ್ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ.
Myself is Gopal. I can speak 6 languages fluently. Telugu I like 50%. I can speak English. मैं हिंदी से बात कर सकता हूँ. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ತುರುಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ, ഞാൻ കുട്ടലത്. എനിക്ക് മലയാളം അറിയില്ല, ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കാം. എനിക്ക് തമിഴ് தெரியும், நான் பேசலாம், ஆனால் படிக்க தெரியாது. And Telugu also I can like interest బాగుంటావా భోజనం అయిందా, so that is all I can explain.
All right. I had secret judges in Jayashree and Uma, and they have chosen you as the winner. But then all 3 also are contenders. So one prize we'll give to, what did you say your name is? Gopalakrishna. Gopalakrishna, our secret judges have chosen you as the winner. But the 3 of you will see who is going to be the lucky winner. Okay? Out of the 3 of you, you are going to take a housing coin from this. Please take a housing coin. This is for the 3 of you. But Gopalakrishna, you are a sure winner, because I saw Jayashree and Uma giving you 100% approval with all the sentences that you said. So you are our winner, and each of you take a housing coin. Yes, look at the number. Okay, before you tell me the number, let me give you the condition. Otherwise you may say I changed the condition. The condition is that today is the 9th of November, right? So whoever has got a number closest to 9, what's your number, Varsha? 1, 54, she's closer, 59. Sorry, yes, but she is the one who is closest to number 9, so she is the winner of this pot prize. But before that, Vidya, please give it to Gopalakrishna, who is the first prize winner. Please come here to give it to you can give this to Varsha. Yes, as the lucky winner. Sir, you were the first one to come to the stage. So, Sasha, he was the first one to come to the stage. So, we must give him a prize. So, this prize comes to you because you were the first one to come to the Bhandarkar.